Hi, today I'm going to talk to you all about Patchouli Essential Oil. You know, patchouli is a herb. In fact, it's a leaf. It's these huge leaves, and they grow. And patchouli grows in India, in Burma, and of course, these are the two main areas that we have patchouli. And patchouli has been used right through the centuries, and it's used to perfume, your clothes. In India, it's used to perfume your clothes. Also, you will find the pashminas before used to be protected when they used to put it away for summer. They used to take these patchouli leaves and put them into the shawl, the pashminas, and then put them away. And so they were protected from insects, and when they had to use them again the next winter, it had the most amazing smell. Patchouli, of course, it is also an aphrodisiac. So that is the one thing that it is. And apart from that, I've been using patchouli for a very, very long time. In fact, and in quite a lot of my products. So I'm going to just tell you the few of them that I've been using them a lot in. One is beautiful skin. And maybe that's why it is one of my favorites, and it's a favorite for a lot of my clients of mine. And because it really is rejuvenating and it's anti-aging. That is one of the properties of patchouli, and it's wonderful. The other product that I use it in, and I've been using it in for a very, very long time, in fact from when we started, is the almond nourishing cream. Now this, of course, is a nourishing cream that replenishes the nourishment in the skin, replenishes the moisture. It also nourishes the skin and makes it feel plump and good. Now this cream can be used in the morning and in the night after cleansing, and it's got patchouli, and as we all know, patchouli is antiseptic, it is rejuvenating. These are the properties of it, and it also helps to nourish, and it helps firming the skin, and excellent for anti-aging. The next that I use it in is my almond moisturizing lotion. In fact, it's like an almond milk which has patchouli in it. And this again is excellent to moisturize your skin, and it has patchouli which also helps against the sun. It's an excellent moisturizer. So these are some of the products that I use.